This amazing recipe will help you boost your metabolism and lose weight much faster. It will cleanse your body from all harmful toxins, and yes, it will boost your brain function as well. Many people around the world have tried this recipe, and they've also said that amazing recipe improved their eyesight, hearing and memory. Well, this means that you should definitely try this amazing recipe. The best thing about this homemade recipe is that you will only need 3 simple ingredients: horseradish, lemon and honey. Yes, that's it. Horseradish, it's loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Did you know that horseradish contains more tenfold glucosinolates than broccoli? So you don't need much horseradish to enjoy its benefits. Armoraceae rusticana, the glucosinolates in the horseradish can increase the human resistance to any type of cancer and environmental toxins. These compounds have a powerful antioxidant properties as well, so they can also be used to relieve sinus and respiratory problems. These powerful compounds can also act as a natural antibiotic against different types of infections in the human body. Lemons are awesome. Note, it doesn't matter in which way you consume lemons, they are extremely healthy and they will provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. The lemon peel contains the potent phytonutrient tangaratin, which has been proven to be effective for brain disorders like Parkinson's disease. This super healthy fruit is loaded with vitamin C and other antioxidants. It can boost and improve the function of your immune system to fight against cold, flu or some infections in the human body. Honey is loaded with many healthy nutrients such as flavonoids, antioxidants, which can help to reduce the risk of some types of cancers and heart disease. It contains a variety of vitamins and minerals as well: vitamin C, calcium and iron. You will need the following ingredients: 125 grams of horseradish, 3 lemons. Before you use them, you need to place them in a container filled with water and 1 tablespoon of vinegar for 10 minutes to wash away the pesticides. 3 tablespoons of honey. Directions: put the horseradish into a blender and blend well. Then cut the lemons into slices, unpeeled. Remove the lemon seeds and add them into the blender. Mix again until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. Then add the 3 tablespoons of honey and mix everything again. Note, make sure you keep the mixture in a glass jar and store it in the fridge. How to consume it: you need to drink 1 teaspoon of this homemade mixture 2 times every day for 3 weeks. So if you want to speed up the weight loss process and lose weight much faster, then this drink is the best choice for you.